Did you know that pairing carrots with certain foods can lead to vision loss? Even carrots, renowned for their vision-enhancing properties, have optimal and detrimental food pairings. Proper consumption of carrots is crucial for reaping their benefits. Pairing them with the wrong foods can potentially compromise your eye health. That's why I've compiled this guide to preventing vision loss. I'll unveil the 3 worst food pairings with carrots and the 3 best ones. Here are 3 best food pairings with carrots for vision repair. Number 1 is carrot with spinach. Combining carrots with spinach provides a powerful boost of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants known to promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Carrots and spinach make the ultimate dynamic duo when it comes to keeping those peepers in tip-top shape. Let's dive into why this combo is like a superhero squad for your vision. First up, we have carrots, the OG eye-loving veggie. Packed with beta-carotene, which is like rocket fuel for your retinas, carrots are essential for maintaining healthy vision. Plus, they come with a bonus package of vitamin C and fiber, keeping your eyes and gut happy. Now, let's talk spinach, Popeye's favorite green powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, the dynamic duo of antioxidants that swoop in to protect your eyes from pesky villains like age-related macular degeneration. With extra goodies like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium, spinach is like the Swiss Army knife of eye health. But wait, there's more. When you combine carrots and spinach, it's like a match made in eye heaven. The beta-carotene from carrots teams up with the lutein and zeaxanthin from spinach, creating a force field of antioxidant awesomeness around your retinas. Talk about a power-packed punch against eye diseases. So, how does this dynamic duo work its magic? Well, beta-carotene gets converted into vitamin A in your retina, while lutein and zeaxanthin swoop in to zap away those pesky free radicals and beef up your macular pigment. It's like having your own personal bodyguards for your eyes. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Science backs it up too. Studies have shown that folks who munch on carrots and spinach are less likely to encounter vision villains than those who skip out on these superfoods. So, there you have it, carrots and spinach, the ultimate tag team for unbeatable eye health. Time to load up your plate and let those superheroes work their magic. Number 2 is carrot with salmon. Pairing carrots with salmon adds omega-3 fatty acids, which support the structure of the eye and may help reduce the risk of developing vision problems. When it comes to safeguarding your sight, carrots and salmon are like the dream team of eye health. Let's dive into why this powerhouse pairing is your ticket to crystal clear vision. First up, we have carrots, the crunchy orange wonders packed with beta-carotene, the superhero of eye nutrients. Beta-carotene gets converted into vitamin A in your peepers, keeping your vision sharp and your retinas happy. Plus, carrots come with a whole squad of other eye-loving vitamins and minerals to keep your sight in tip-top shape. Now, let's talk salmon, the omega-3 rich fish that's swimming with eye-boosting benefits. Salmon serves up a hefty dose of omega-3 fatty acids, like EPA and DHA, that are essential for maintaining the structure of your eyeballs and warding off vision villains. With a side of protein, vitamin D, and selenium, salmon isn't just tasty. It's a one-stop shop for eye health. But here's where the magic happens. When you pair carrots with salmon, it's like giving your eyes a VIP treatment. The beta-carotene from carrots teams up with the omega-3 fatty acids from salmon to create a powerhouse combo that fights off inflammation, nourishes your retinas, and keeps your vision as sharp as a superhero's spandex suit. So, how does this dynamic duo work its magic? Well, beta-carotene transforms into vitamin A in your retinas, while those omega-3 fatty acids cozy up to your eye cells, keeping them supple and strong. It's like giving your eyes a luxurious spa day, complete with all the pampering they need to stay healthy and happy. But hey, don't just take my word for it, science is on board too. Studies have shown that folks who munch on carrots and salmon are less likely to encounter vision problems than those who skip out on these eye-loving eats. So, there you have it, carrots and salmon, the ultimate power couple for unbeatable eye health. Time to load up your plate and give your eyes the superhero treatment they deserve. Number 3 is carrot with blueberries. Enjoying blueberries alongside carrots provides a double dose of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which can help improve night vision and protect the eyes from oxidative damage. When it comes to giving your eyes a boost, Carrots and blueberries are like the dynamic duo of the produce aisle. Let's dive into why this delicious combo is your ticket to eagle-eyed vision. First up, we have carrots, the crunchy orange gems packed with beta-carotene, the superhero of eye nutrients. Beta-carotene gets converted into vitamin A in your peepers, keeping your vision sharp and your retinas happy. Plus, carrots come with a whole crew of other eye-loving vitamins and minerals to keep your sight in tip-top shape. Now, let's talk blueberries, the tiny yet mighty berries bursting with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These little powerhouses swoop in to save the day, fighting off oxidative damage and giving your eyes the protection they need to stay bright and clear. With a side of vitamin C and flavonoids, blueberries aren't just tasty. They're the ultimate defenders of eye health. But here's where the magic really happens. When you pair carrots with blueberries, it's like giving your eyes a turbocharged boost. The beta-carotene from carrots teams up with the anthocyanins from blueberries to create a superhero combo that fights off free radicals, improves night vision, and keeps your peepers in peak condition. So, how does this dream team work its magic? Well, beta-carotene kicks things off by transforming into vitamin A in your retinas, while those anthocyanins swoop in to neutralize pesky free radicals and keep your eyes sparkling. But don't just take my word for it. Science is backing up this dynamic duo too. Studies have shown that folks who chow down on carrots and blueberries have better night vision and a lower risk of eye problems than those who skip out on these eye-loving treats. So, there you have it, carrots and blueberries, the ultimate tag team for unbeatable eye health. Time to load up your plate and give your eyes the superhero treatment they deserve. Now here are 3 worst food pairings with carrots for vision repair. Number 1 is carrot with sugary snacks. Consuming carrots with sugary snacks like candies or pastries can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, which may contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of vision-related issues. Picture this. You're munching on crunchy carrots, thinking you're doing your eyes a favor, but then you reach for a sugary snack like candies or pastries. Oh, that innocent combo could be a recipe for disaster when it comes to your precious peepers. Let's break it down. Carrots, those orange superheroes packed with beta-carotene and all sorts of eye-loving nutrients, are on one side of the ring. They're ready to fight off vision problems and keep your eyes sparkling like diamonds. But then, here come the sugary snacks, the villains of the story, loaded with sugar and lacking any real nutritional value. They swoop in, causing chaos by sending your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. And guess what? Those spikes in blood sugar can spell trouble for your eyes. You see, when your blood sugar levels go haywire, inflammation can kick into high gear, wreaking havoc on your delicate peepers. Think of it like a wildfire raging through your retina, causing all sorts of vision-related issues like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. But wait, there's more. Studies have shown that munching on sugary snacks alongside healthy foods like carrots can up the ante on inflammation and increase your risk of eye diseases. It's like inviting trouble right to your doorstep. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Steer clear of those sneaky sugary snacks and opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits or nuts. Your eyes will thank you for it, and you'll be one step closer to keeping your vision crystal clear for years to come. Number 2 is carrot with processed foods. Pairing carrots with highly processed foods, such as chips or fast food, provides little nutritional benefit and may even introduce harmful additives and preservatives that could negatively impact eye health. Imagine this. You've got a plate of crisp, crunchy carrots sitting right next to a tempting pile of processed foods like chips or fast food. It's like a showdown between good and evil, with your eyes caught in the middle. Let's start with the good guy, our trusty carrots. Packed with beta-carotene and a bunch of other eye-loving nutrients, these orange wonders are ready to fight off vision problems and keep your peepers in tip-top shape. But then, here come the processed foods, the villains of the story. Loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and a bunch of additives and preservatives, they're like a one-way ticket to eye trouble town. Pairing carrots with processed foods is like trying to mix oil and water. They just don't go together. Instead of complementing each other, they cancel out any nutritional benefits the carrots might offer. Plus, those sneaky additives and preservatives in processed foods can throw a wrench in your body's ability to absorb and use the good stuff from the carrots. And let's not forget about the long-term consequences. Chronic consumption of processed foods can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, two big no-nos when it comes to maintaining healthy eyes. So, what's the moral of the story? Say no to processed foods and opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits, veggies, and homemade snacks. Your eyes will thank you for it, and you'll be one step closer to keeping your vision crystal clear for years to come. Number 3 is carrot with saturated fat-rich foods. Combining carrots with foods high in saturated fats, such as fried foods or fatty meats, can interfere with the absorption of beneficial nutrients and may contribute to inflammation, potentially harming vision over time. Picture this. You've got a plate of vibrant carrots sitting next to a greasy pile of fried foods or fatty meats. It's like a battle between the heroes of eye health and the villains of unhealthy eating. Let's shine a spotlight on our heroes, the carrots. Bursting with beta-carotene and a bunch of other eye-loving nutrients, they're ready to fight off vision problems and keep your peepers sharp. But then, here come the villains, the saturated fat-rich foods. Loaded with unhealthy fats, these troublemakers can throw a wrench in your body's ability to absorb and use the good stuff from the carrots. Plus, they're like a recipe for inflammation and oxidative stress, two big no-nos when it comes to keeping your eyes healthy. Pairing carrots with saturated fat-rich foods is like trying to mix oil and water. It just doesn't work. Instead of teaming up to boost your eye health, they end up canceling each other out, leaving your vision vulnerable to harm. So, what's the moral of the story? Say no to saturated fat-rich foods and opt for healthier alternatives like lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and plant-based fats. Your eyes will thank you for it, and you'll be one step closer to keeping your vision crystal clear for years to come. Remember, the key lies not only in what we consume but also in how we pair our foods. As we bid farewell, let's reflect on the wisdom gained. Avoid the pitfalls of sugary snacks, processed foods, and saturated fat-rich indulgences when enjoying the goodness of carrots. Instead, embrace the power of nutrient-rich allies such as spinach, salmon, and blueberries to amplify the benefits for our eyes. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones, spreading the message of vision health far and wide. Here's to a future filled with clarity, vitality, and the joy of seeing the world through bright, healthy eyes. Until next time, take care and prioritize your eye health journey.